Is your Nintendo Switch 2 freezing, or your Joy-Cons becoming unresponsive while you're on the home screen, in a game, or inside an app? A lot of users are having this problem, but the fix is actually pretty simple. So these are what you can do to fix your unresponsive Switch 2 99% of the time. Let's begin. For the first process that we're gonna try, you need to make sure that your Joy-Cons are attached to your Switch. And we're gonna start with force restarting the system. To do this, you'll need to hold down the power button that's on the top of your Switch for about 20 seconds, which will turn off your Nintendo Switch. And after that, you simply press the power button to turn it back on. Now check whether it's fixed. In most of the cases, your Nintendo Switch 2 will start responding. So, if you can, what I want you to do is open System, then go down to System, select System Update, and make sure your system is up to date. This should fix any software glitches that may be causing your Nintendo to malfunction. Now in some cases, your Joy-Cons may be low on battery, which is why your Switch is feeling unresponsive. So let's check our Joy-Cons battery percentage by going back to the home screen, then selecting controllers. Now if you see your Joy-Con battery is low, make sure that they're attached to your Nintendo system, and then you'll need to plug in the charger. Now if your Nintendo Switch is still freezing while you're in game or on home screen, then a faulty SD card or game card may be the culprit. So in this step, we're gonna try taking out the game card or any SD card that you're using and see if that fixes your system. If this works, then you can try reformatting your SD card or check another game card and see if the issue persists. If your Nintendo Switch 2 is still acting up, and maybe it's unusable, then as a last resort what you can try doing is resetting your Nintendo Switch 2 from recovery mode. To do that, first of all, we will force shut down our Switch just like before. Now, to boot into recovery mode, hold down both the volume up and down button, and while holding them, tap on the power button. Now you need to keep holding the volume buttons until the recovery mode comes up. Now from here, you can first try Restore Settings, which will reset your console system settings and keep all your game data, screenshots and videos. And this should be enough to fix your issue. But if you want to go a bit further, then you can also try Restore Factory Settings, which will erase all your game data and everything else, and you'll need to set it up once again. So the choice is yours. And after doing this, your Nintendo Switch 2 should be up and running without any issues. So let us know how it went, and I'll see you in the next one.